My wife and I drove over from Wenatchee and joined up on Capitol Hill with my 35-year-old daughter and her friends. And this was the day after Trump's inauguration last year. Mm-hmm. And I thought it was great. It was the greatest outpouring of people in the streets. I felt great being part of the January 22nd march with all the women and men who showed up. I loved the signs. People's signs were so much more clever than anything we ever thought of in the 60s. And some of the signs were so clever that I had to hit the woman next to me. I said, what does that mean? Some of them I didn't get. Some were snippets of songs, Beyonce songs, and I just didn't know what it was. But I had a good time, and I made it all the way.